Namaste and good morning to everyone. I am Sadhana Aryal here from Vishwa Jyoti Secondary School. I am here with the second video for class 4 maths. I am here with the next topic today under the geometry, that is triangle. I think you are already familiar with the word triangle. Triangle is a plane figure bounded with 3 line segments. Triangle is a plane figure bounded with 3 line segments. Let's come to the point now, how the triangle are formed. What are the properties of triangle? Triangle, tri. The word tri means 3 and angle means corner. I think you are already known about its property, the simple property of triangle, that there are 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles in a triangle. What are the sides of triangle? Can you name it? Yes, the sides of triangle are A, B, C and CA. These 3 lines has made a single triangle here. These 3 lines have met in the 3 different points called vertex and made a plane figure called the triangle. So, can you name the vertices of this triangle? What are the vertices? You are already known about the vertex. These vertices, don't get confused with the word vertices. Vertices is just a plural form of vertex. I think you are known about that vertex, as I have already discussed that on the previous video. What are the vertex? Vertex are the simple corners in which the line segments meet each other at a common point. Vertices just is a plural form. Can you name the vertices of this triangle? Okay. Here AB line and BC line meet at point B. So one of the vertex is B. And next line, BC line and CA lines are meeting at point C. So another vertex is C. And here at the last, BA line and CA line are meeting at the point A. So the next vertex is vertex A. So the properties of triangle can be listed as there are 3 sides in a triangle, there are 3 vertices, and similarly there are 3 angles in which are formed by the meeting of a line segment in a common point and 3 different common point. We can classify, classification of triangle can be done in 2 ways. Classification of triangle can be done in 2 ways. They are on the basis of the side, and next one is on the basis of the angles. So we can classify the triangles into 3 categories on the basis of sides. How can we classify the triangle on the basis of sides? Here I am here with it. So equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equi means same, equal. Lateral means sides. Equilateral. Here are 2 words hidden inside this single word, that is equi and lateral. Equi means equal and lateral means sides. If all the sides of a triangle are equal, then it is called the equilateral triangle. You can see in the figure represented here. Here AB, the length of AB is 5 cm. Similarly, the length of BC is also 5 cm. In the same way, the length of AC is also 5 cm. Here all the 3 sides of the triangle ABC are 5 cm. So this is called the equilateral triangle. I hope you have got this one. Now let's come to the next one, that is isosceles triangle. Isosceles means having 2 sides equal. Triangle has totally 3 sides, but if any 2 sides of the triangle are equal in the length, it is called the isosceles triangle. I have forgot to tell you one thing about equilateral triangle, property of equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal here. So the angle formed on this triangle are also equal. That is, all the angles of equilateral triangle are supposed to be 60 degree. 6 3s are 18. That's why the sum of the triangle is 180 degree. We all know that the sum of the triangle, the sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. How it comes? Here 60 degree, one angle 60 degree, another angle 60 degree, and the next triangle 60 degree. 60 into 3 times 60 is 180 degree. Here, and hence the sum of equilateral triangle is 180 degree. Now isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, I have already mentioned you just now. Isosceles triangle is a type of triangle which has two sides equal. Here, any two sides, it can be any sides, but two sides must be equal to be an isosceles triangle. Here, AB is equal to 4 cm, BC is equal to 5 cm, AC is equal to 4 cm. So here, AB and BC are equal in length. So this made it an isosceles triangle. Because of this length, because of the length of AB and AC being equal, this triangle is known as, this triangle comes to be an isosceles triangle. I hope you have understood about equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. Here in the third point, there is a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle, a type of triangle whose none of the sides are equal. There are no unequal sides. Every sides of the triangle are different in the measures. You can see here as example, here AB is equals to 4 cm, BC is equals to 3 cm, AC is equal to 2 cm. Here all the sides varies in their measurement. Here all the sides are different in their measurement. So it is a scalene triangle. I hope you have understood about the types of triangle on the basis of its sides. Let's get into the next one, next classification, that is on the basis of angles. On the basis of angles, we can classify triangle again into three categories. They are, I have mentioned here, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. I think you are known about acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, as I have already discussed it on the previous video on the topic angle. I have already discussed it. So acute angle, what do you mean by acute angle? I want to revise it again. Acute means a smaller one. The angle which is smaller than 90 degree, it is called the acute angle. So how it is and how the triangle is named as acute angle. Triangle like कसरी नाम दिएको होला त acute angle भनेर भन्दा, if there are three angles in a triangle, you are already known about it. So if all the angles formed in the triangle are less than 90 degree, that is, if all the angles of a triangle are acute, then it is called acute angle triangle. Again, I will repeat it for you. If all the angles of the triangle are less than 90 degree, it is called the acute angle triangle. Okay? Here, next one is right angle triangle. Right angle. Already you are known about right angle. Right angle means L shape forming angle, that is exactly 90 degree. That seems like the shape of, it attains the shape of L of English alphabet. You can notice it here. If you place some object here and notice this angle only, it is exactly 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. It is here AB line and BC line are meeting at point B, forming 90 degree angle, forming a right angle. So the triangle whose one of the angle is exactly 90 degree, it is called the right angled triangle. So I will repeat it. If any of the angle of a triangle is exactly 90 degree, if one of the angle of a triangle is exactly 90 degree, the triangle is defined as right angle triangle. Now here is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle means, yes, the angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So how the triangle are termed as obtuse angle triangle? Let's know. If any one angle of the triangle is greater than 90 degree, if कुनै एउटा triangle को कुनै पनि एउटा angle 90 degree भन्दा धेरै greater than 90 degree. If it is greater than 90 degree and less than 180, it's called acute angle triangle. If, I will repeat it, if one of the angle of a triangle is greater than 90 degree, the triangle is supposed to be an obtuse angle triangle. I will repeat it for you again. Acute angle. If all the, you can find the difference here. If all the angles of the triangle are less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle triangle. Similarly, if one of the angle of the triangle is 90 degree, exactly 90 degree, then those type of triangle are called right angle triangle. Similarly, obtuse angle triangle, if one of the angle of the triangle is greater than 90 degree, then those type of triangle are called obtuse angle triangle. I have some exercises for you today here. Here I have drawn some triangles so that you will be able to answer me what are those types. Okay. This, can you name this angle? Can you name this triangle? Can you name it? Here, you can see these marks here. Look, this marks indicates, this symbolizes that these two sides are equal. Which type of triangle, which is the triangle which has two sides equal? How is that triangle classified? What is the name of that triangle whose two sides are equal? Can you tell me? Very good. That is isosceles triangle. This one is isosceles triangle. Okay. Here comes, all these sides are equal. Look, this symbolizes that all the sides of the triangle are equal. So this, which type of triangle is called, triangle has all the sides equal? Definitely, it is a equilateral triangle. It is a equilateral triangle. Now let's come here. In this triangle PQR, which type of triangle? Can you name it? You can see the symbol of 90 degree here. So one of the angle is 90 degree. So which triangle is this? Very good. This is a right angle triangle. Okay. Here all the angles are, you can see all the angles are less than 90 degree. So which triangle is this? Obviously this is a acute angle triangle. You can look here, it is 120, 30 degree, this one is 30 degree. Can you name this triangle? Can you name it? You just have to notice only one thing hidden here. Here you can notice this 120 degree. 120 is greater than 90 degree. So it is called obtuse angle. 120 falls under the obtuse angle. So this angle is obtuse here. So the triangle formed is obtuse angle triangle. So students, this much for today. I have only this much for you today. Your homework will be posted on the Vishwa Jyoti page according to your class group of your class. I want to inform you that from here as well, you have to define the different type of triangle. You have to classify different type of triangle on the basis of its side and the basis of its angles, and write its definition and draw the figures as well. So this is the homework for you. I will come with the next video on the next topic. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.